Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're doing our second or part two. I just basically am splitting yesterday's video and today's video because yesterday's video was unboxing that little beauty over there. That's the cosmetic lipstick pouch in Epi Leather. Tender Bliss is the color code, and that's from the new LV beauty launch, and I got it as my first birthday present. It's the exact same color as the notebook that I recently got. So today I will probably be putting the part two and doing two unboxings and then the mini project I spoke of from my part one video. So today, let's do that. So let's unbox. This is going to be the first item I unbox. It's rather large, which I'm surprised about, but let me open it, and then I have like a mini story towards this piece. And it's likely that let me see, I'm thinking whether to keep this piece. I have no idea why they are sending me in such a large box. Like once I open this, once I open this, you'll understand why I'm a bit confused as well. So, have to. Okay. So it came with the longer vertical shopping bag, and let's see, the usual paperwork. That's weird. Again, in Hong Kong, we always get perfume samples, and I got the same one as yesterday, Ombre Nomad, as well as the Attract Rev. So here. This is like a massive box for what I bought. And the story behind it is I actually ordered this piece and my Jane notebook in the Tender Bliss color together on the same day. And let me quickly unbox for you so you have an idea. Oh, so I don't think I have it in this size with the new box opening. See, look at it. It's actually really small, but they gave me such a large box. It is basically this is the first time I've received a dust bag with this item, which I'm surprised about, but what? They sent me the exact same notebook color that I already received. Guys, this is the first time LV made a mistake. Good thing I have it on video, because my second order was the cotton candy color, which I'll put a photo up here so you can see a difference. So I was not expecting the same Tender Bliss. They obviously made a mistake. So now I'm going to have to contact LV and tell them that they sent me the wrong notebook, but I might just cancel it altogether because I originally ordered both colors, Tender Bliss and Cotton Candy, at the same time. And then was hoping that by the time it gets to me, I would look at the color in person and decide which one I want to keep, because I actually really like this pink monogram, but I didn't need two pinks. Now online, I really enjoyed, I really fell for this Tender Bliss color, but then I also saw Cotton Candy was with like another collection, and it was like a lighter pink, and it's quite nice as well. So I really just wanted to order and have myself see it in like person, because you don't get to see these at the shops, and then decide which one to keep and then return the other one, so that I can match like my Murakami notebooks. But now they've sent me the exact same color, so yeah, I will contact them after this video. I'm just gonna now jump to my third unbox, including yesterday's video, and this is gonna be part 2, so I'm just gonna do my last unboxing. And yeah, you'll understand why I want to put it together, because it's all related to pink. So let me put this back as the background, and I'll reach out to LV after I finish recording this. Like, I did not expect that. Actually, let me take a look at the receipt that came and whether they even have it correct. Let's see. Yep, it's Cotton Candy, and the price is actually $50 less. But they did not send me the right notebook, so I will contact client services later. But just wanted to check, and I have it all tracked on in my email that it should have been the other color. Cotton Candy is like a lot lighter. Okay. Okay, so now for my last and final unboxing is not from LV, but more of like a stationery product. So I found this on Taobao, because I've always wanted to manage my character cards that I get from the blind boxes, Popmart blind boxes, and I've also expanded to Top Toy blind boxes for Nommi, which is like a different toy maker. And so I decided to get one that's in pink, and I've never heard of this brand, but most importantly that it fits 9 pocket card binder. And yeah, let's open this together to see how it look. Oops. It's quite heavy. I wanted something that was more, again, like more durable, since I have been expanding my Popmart collection, because I can't stop buying blind boxes for the time being. So I decided to invest on like a nice binder. Oh, I didn't know that it's going to be like patent leather type of feel. But I did get this colorway because it's pink with a purple inside filing of the 9 square holder. Oh, so pretty. Oh, and on this side it's like mint green, and this pocket's 9. I don't remember the amount that I bought, but it could hold, I think it can hold up to 200 plus cards. And what I'm referring to is, oh, this is so pretty. This is again like microfiber, And then it's pink. Oh my gosh, it's like the exact same color as my Tender Bliss colorway that I've been buying from LV. And this is actually a surprise, the outside color. Wait, push it back. And I wanted something like this. Let me see if I could make it lower. Okay, I can't get the stand to angle it lower, so we're gonna have to bring the camera lower so you could see more, like that. Okay, so I wanted to, like, a nice binder to house all my Popmart character cards. This should be in order earlier, but these are my have a seat. And then I have a few Nommi. Let's see. Let me put my have a seat together first. So I'll take you guys with me when I'm putting my cards into the binder, but I'm just probably going to fast forward and show some of my collections because it's quite a bit here, but it will probably expand a little bit in 2025 and probably into 2026 at least. So I just really wanted to organize myself because I love when my things are, you know, nice and clean. So this is my mini project out of the part 2 that I've been mentioning. So let's get started. I am hoping to put these in the order that I started collecting from Popmart, and that would be the brand, it's called Momichi. There, so this is Labubu King that I only recently got in the past 2 months, so that's gonna be behind. And it's these ones that I started off with, Momichis. Okay. So I think for this, I'm gonna remove my pretty pops from my video to make room.
Strawberry skies. Butterflies inside. Monday morning like a 1, 2, 3. Saw you laughing, didn't notice me. Your blue sweater, messy golden hair. I just froze, I forgot how to breathe. Math class doodles hearts on my page. Wrote your name in a secret code language. Every glance feels like a sweet escape. Hope this daydream never fades away. It's magic. Maybe it's true. When you smile, my whole world turns pink and blue. Strawberry skies, candy high, heartbeats wild when you pass by. Wish I could say, hey, it's you I adore, but I'm just a girl you ignore. Strawberry skies, wonder why, falling hard like fireflies. One day you'll see this love I can hide and dance with me in the neon light. Lunchroom chaos, you're with the crowd.
Okay guys, this one doesn't fit, so I just thought I might keep it like this for now. This is my new notebook or binder with all my blind box character cards, and I'm really happy to be able to organize my stuff because the cards also mean a lot to me. I could easily see my collection here. I have all of these at home, so I haven't sold any of these. This is my true collection. And since I'm already here, I thought I'd share with you guys what I mean by I enjoy packaging, because I also like arts and crafts. A lot of the boxes are very bulky, so it's like many people and often make sense to throw them away. I do throw majority of the blind boxes away, but for some I at least keep one of the boxes like this, and sometimes I just cut the main character. So for the example, Nommi, I really enjoyed this interesting fruits, so I cut the box, see, like that, so just so that I could keep the cover. And I haven't posted this unboxing yet, but this is also a Nommi with the desserts. It's so cute, and I thought, because if I do cut these little characters out, I can make them as mini, and I could, I don't know, just arts and crafts, you know, and even just to keep. So I have a whole collection. I have a seat, the baby Nommis, my Murakami rainbow stickers, and the Hong Kong cherry tags. I was thinking to maybe take these out and also put them into my binder. Let's see. I have quite a few of these. This one I might just keep with my arts and crafts little. I'm using a Samorga organizer because I felt like, because this one was an extra that I got from a while back, and I thought it'd be great to help me store my blind box stuff. So as you can see, I keep some boxes. You never know, just in case in the future, if I do want to, you know, give it off to whoever that's interested. I keep my stuff very clean. I have no intentions to sell it, but even if I was to give it away in the future, I do want that person to have a whole experience. And I think allowing to put it back into some box before gifting it back to anyone is, you know, a nice gesture. And I love collecting these kind of things anyway. So, okay, let's now finish off the video by putting all my gift tag LV X Murakami cherry gift tags into the binder. And keep that back into my arts and crafts little container. Okay, so this is my binder of everything. And thanks everyone for joining me to see me unbox a duplicated notebook. I'm gonna have to contact LV Client Services now and tell them to just return and probably forget about the cotton candy because they didn't have stock. And even if it arrives now, I wouldn't be comparing the two. I wouldn't be able to return my original one. And I wanted one of two anyways, and I've decided to keep that color so that it matches with my lippy. So okay guys, if you like these type of unboxing videos and anything related to Popmart and arts and crafts, how I store and organize my stuff, I think I'll be doing more of these type of videos coming in the future. I still have a Nommi unboxing video I filmed weeks back, but just because I've been so backlogged, I haven't had time, and I'm just posting what I feel like deserves my attention that weekend, for example. And the new mini Labubu version 4, Pin for Love, I got several letters that I can resonate with, so I'll do an unboxing of that alongside not just the Labubu plushies, but I also got the letter pendants to match with the Labubu minis I got. So I'm hoping to get all of that by coming week, so I could do an unboxing video for that and hopefully add to my character card collection. So this concludes the end of part 2 video. If you haven't subscribed already, please do so, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.